Hello everyone, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and simple loaf of bread with the help of a stand mixer. To begin, in the bowl of your stand mixer, add 3 cups of bread flour, followed by 1 packet of instant yeast, 1.5 teaspoons of fine sea salt, and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Then whisk to combine. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Then transfer the bowl to the stand mixer and lock it in place. And to make bread, we're going to be using the hook attachment. To the flour mixture, add 3/4 of a cup of warm water, followed by half a cup of whole milk. Then begin mixing on low. Continue mixing on low until a shaggy dough forms. Feel free to scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl to make sure that nothing bad is happening down there. You may increase the speed to medium and continue mixing for another 5 to 7 minutes. And once the dough has formed, add 3 tablespoons of unsalted room temperature butter. My room temperature butter is almost melted, but that's okay, it'll be aight. Then continue mixing until all the butter has been evenly incorporated, or until the dough becomes smooth and elastic. And once the dough looks like so, turn the machine off. Remove the dough from the bowl. Grease the same bowl with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then shape the dough into a ball, just like so. Transfer the dough back into the bowl, cover the bowl with plastic wrap and keep in a warm place for about 1.5 to 2 hours or until it doubles in size. And after about 2 hours, once it has doubled in size, punch the air out. Then reshape the dough back into a bowl. Spray a loaf pan with non-stick cooking spray. Using a rolling pin, roll out the dough into an oval shape. Then roll it up just like so. Fold both ends underneath the dough. Transfer the dough into the prepared loaf pan. Then cover with plastic wrap and let it rise once more about 1 hour. And after 1 hour, this is what your dough should look like. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 177 degrees Celsius. Now, bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 40 minutes or until golden brown. And if everything goes according to plan, your loaf of bread will look like this. Transfer the loaf of bread to a wire rack and let it cool off. And once the bread has somewhat cooled off, go ahead and slice it. If you follow this recipe, you will get a perfect, delicious loaf of bread every single time. Why did the bread fail its driving test? Because it couldn't rise to the occasion. You may store the homemade loaf of bread at room temperature in an airtight container for about 3 to 4 days. And now you are ready to eat. Ooh. There you guys have it, supermarket style loaf of bread. Enjoy, buen provecho, thanks for watching, see you later, bye.
Yeah.